Estonia holds the presidency of the Council of the European Union for the first time in the second half of 2017. The aim of the Estonian presidency is to ensure that the EU remains united and decisive in these challenging times. Our role as the member state holding the presidency is to find a balance between all the views, traditions and interests in Europe today to achieve the best possible outcome for all European citizens. Although we will be taking forward all the key issues within the EU during our 6 months, we will focus on delivering most in 4 priority areas. An open and innovative European economy, a safe and secure Europe, a digital Europe and the free movement of data, an inclusive and sustainable Europe. The European economy has to be open and innovative to stay competitive. An economy can only be successful if it is open to opportunities, change, trade and new ideas. So we will work hard to future-proof the European economy by creating more opportunities for entrepreneurs, making regulations smarter and simpler, and developing our greatest joint asset, the single market. The EU must maintain safety and security for all its citizens and play its part in ensuring peace and stability in the world. We will work hard to find new solutions to make the financing of terrorism more difficult, to create databases and IT systems that improve information exchange between the police and security forces of member states, and to strengthen security through even stronger cooperation with NATO and the neighbors of the EU. The future of Europe and the world is digital. This brings great opportunities, but also creates vulnerabilities. Our task and challenge will be to balance the benefits and risks fairly. During our presidency, we will focus on advancing the digital single market, increasing the use of e-solutions and data, and on developing cross-border digital services. We strongly believe this will make the lives of everyone in Europe easier. The EU should be a champion of inclusivity and sustainability. We must re-examine the ways in which we can offer equal opportunities for our citizens who want to live and work across the EU. We need to adjust to changes in the labour market and our working lives. So, we will focus on ensuring equal opportunities for labour mobility within the EU. At the same time, we believe economic growth and development should not come at the expense of our natural resources and the world around us. Technology and nature do not need to be opposites. During our presidency, we will work to identify digital solutions and to harness technology for the benefit of our natural environment to preserve what we have today, also for future generations. To find out more about the priorities and plans for the Estonian presidency, visit eu2017.ee.